This video will demonstrate the use of special tool TDP definition pin. TDP definition pin is used in combination with camshaft locking tool to perform on-vehicle timing check in diesel vehicles. This tool is inserted into the hole given on the lower side of transmission case to check the position of crankshaft with respect to the position of the camshaft. Using TDP definition pin. To perform on-vehicle timing check, remove all the necessary components to gain access to the plugs given on the camshaft housing. Open the camshaft housing plugs and rotate crankshaft in clockwise direction to align the camshaft recess with the plug's hole. Lock both camshafts using the camshaft locking tool. Lift the vehicle on a 2-post lift. Locate the hole given on the lower side of transmission case to insert the special tool. Insert the special tool into the hole and check for its proper fitment. The gap between the transmission case and tool grip should be within the specification given in the service manual of the vehicle. Improper gap indicates the improper timing and should be corrected by referring to the service manual. Advantages and benefits. This tool helps to check the engine timing easily and quickly without opening the engine. By eliminating the need to open the engine, this tool reduces the time needed to complete the job.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.